Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's dive right into this video. So you're going to download and install the Capcut app from the Play Store or Google Store, depending on whichever phone you're using. So this is how the Capcut app looks like. Then to add project, we're going to click on the plus sign which says new project. You click on it. Then it's going to take you to where your files are, your videos, pictures, whatever you want to upload. You click on it, then you add. This is what it's going to look like. Then you just go through it like this. Just in case you forgot to add the file, just click on the plus icon, you go through your videos and you click, and then you click on add. That is how you add extra videos or pictures. To switch clips, just hold on the clip you want to move and switch it to wherever you want it to be. That way it can help you to edit your video in order of hierarchy. In order to trim your clip, click on the video, drag the edges of the clip to trim the beginning or the end, just like what you see in the video right now. So I'm gonna go ahead to delete one of the videos, and you can use the arrow turning to the left to bring it back. So you delete and you bring it back with the arrow. So now let's go forward with splitting the images. So you just click on the image, you click on split, so that way it splits the image into however way you want to split it. Most times people split because of transitions, because they want different transition effects. So now these are the transitioning options that you have. You can just play around with it, it's not really that difficult. And one thing I will tell you is just stay consistent with just playing around with it. You see what I'm doing? Just going through different transitions. They have the basic one, they have the light effect, different ones, and you just keep clicking. And one thing you can also do is you can also apply transitions to every video. So when you see the apply to all, you click on it and you click the arrow on the right, then it's going to apply to all the clip. Like I said before, keep playing around with the transition to know whichever one fits your video perfectly. So next, let's go to adding filter to the video. So as you can see how my screen is moving, you're going to go straight to filter. You click on it. They have click on filter, yes. So they have tons of filters you need to use or you want to use. As you can see, the one I actually love most is the peach fuzz. Yeah, it's really nice, and you'll see where it comes together when I start adding the effect to it. So to add stickers, you click on text, then you will see stickers right beside it. These are the stickers that they have. They have the ones for the pro and they have the free ones. So you just play around with it, choose different kind of stickers. Most times always use stickers that matches with your video, so that way it comes out really nice. But yeah, just play around with the stickers. There are different kind of emojis. You can even add the subscribe button, you can add the like button, comment button. Just type it on the search stickers. That way it's gonna give you different stickers ideas. If you want to blur your face, like right there, the one I just used right now, you can use that to blur your face or blur whatever you want to blur from your background and all that stuff. Yeah, so that's that about stickers. Just walk your way around it, play around it. So let's move on to adding text. So you go back, then you see the add text, you click on it, then you add whatever text you want to add to your video. So you can add as much as you want to add, and you can also lay your text, but I'm going to show you that later. So this is where you see your different text transitions. So you see the trending, you see the basic, and there's a lot of text transitions that don't even require you to pay, which is free. So you can take advantage of that too. You can also add animations to your text. You click on your text and you see animations option right there. You can add different type of animations. It's beautiful, it gives your video a different kind of effect. And trust me, just keep practicing, you're gonna get it, okay? Yeah, I'm just trying to adjust the stickers that I have there. And also you can adjust the stickers format. If you can see the yellow bar at the bottom, you can use that to move your stickers to wherever you want them to be or where you want it to be positioned. So let's move to adding sounds. You click on sounds. This is what it's going to take you to. you're going to type copyright free YouTube sounds. So because that's what I use mostly for my YouTube channel. Then they have different options. You can click different options. You pick the one that you want to pick. Then you play around with it. You can also adjust the volume of your sound so that way your original sound is not low, and also the YouTube sound you're using is not overshadowing your original sound. So try as much as possible to not forget to adjust your volume. It's very, very important. So I want to add keyboard sound to the I am learning Capcut text. So you go to your sounds again, you type keyboard typing. So that way it's going to bring out different options. You click and listen to it, then you know exactly the one you want to pick for your sound. So now that the keyboard typing is added, you go ahead and drag the keyboard typing sound. Make sure you adjust it to the beginning of your I am learning Capcut text, and also drag also to the end of it. So that way when it starts, it's going to start at the beginning and also end. Because as you can see, this is a new YouTube channel. Although I started, I'm gonna be introducing myself because as you can see, this is a new YouTube channel. Although I started it like, so we're gonna go ahead to do the facial retouching. So you're gonna click on any of the video because you can apply the retouch to all the videos. Then you go to retouch, then you click on face. So there you see all the options. You're gonna try as much as possible to not do too much. So just move it to whatever you feel comfortable to the way you want to edit it. So that's me just trying to just do something light, and you move it to your skin tone, to whatever skin tone you want to move it to. Just make sure that you're not doing too much so that way it doesn't look too bright or too dark. So when you're done with all the retouch, you can go ahead and apply to all, so that way you have even skin tone all through your video. So I don't need the other file I added. Then I'm just going to click on the file, then click delete. That's it. So I click that too. The audio is looking like it's too long. That's the free YouTube sound that we use. You just click on the sound, you split the sound, and you delete the one you don't want to use anymore. So it's really simple. It's just for you to just walk your way around it, and just keep doing anything you want to do. And you may think it's not perfect, but trust me, with time you're going to get used to it. So you just see what I just did now. I wanted to add the subscribe button. I went to the text the same way I went to it when I wanted to add animations and all them stuff. Then I click on subscribe. Then it brought different options out for me. Then I click on it, and that is how we have the subscribe button. If you want to add a call to action, you can add that to your video, and voila, you have it already there. Just play around with it and move it to wherever you want it to be. Don't forget, you can also add speed to your video. You click on the video, then you go to speed, then you can adjust it if you want to increase the speed, if you want to reduce the speed, depend on what you're trying to achieve for that particular video. Preview your video to make sure everything looks good. Tap the export button to save your video to your device. Choose your desired resolution, quality setting, for your video export. Then you click save to device. Now let's head out of Capcut. That is what we did. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.